So guys, I've bought the 1980's Crompton Greaves High Breeze home to show you what it's inside. So let me open it. So guys, I've opened this. As you can see, the wires are original. So this says the winding is completely original stock. So let me say this should be a 18 pole motor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wait. Let's start. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is a 18 pole motor, 18 plus 18. This is jammed. I need to hammer and remove this. So guys, this is the inside. So this is a 56-inch motor. That's why it's too wide. The spring is good. Bearings need replacement completely. And this is the shaft. It's quite big actually. So because this is a 56 inches fan, it is a 18 plus 18, or the 48 inches is 16. The stator is actually pretty thick. Never expected that. So guys, let me assemble this back and we'll end the video there. So guys, we have completely assembled the fan. I wanted to just show you inside of how a 56-inch high breeze is inside. Yep, I have removed the camera. I will change the bearings later on. As you can see, just need to clean the label and all that will be done in the phase 2, where I'll restore this fan and the other fans which I've got. I need to restore them. They are on pause for I think quite a few months right now, like 3-4 months. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video coming really soon.